The second option is we can select all the video, right click it, add to timeline. Now we can see another window like this, and we can arrange by the scroll buttons here. That should come down, thank you slide, and the other one should come up, image. So we have to click on this and go up, move up. So this is how we arrange it. Now we can adjust the starting time and ending time here. So all sorts of settings can be done here. Click OK. So everything will be aligned on the timeline. So this is yet another way of arranging our video clips. Now we can make it even more beautiful by learning some features. OpenShot provides a feature called animation. Here we can give animation, zoom in, zoom out, or we can give random. So that transition is there. You can see how it appears. Like that, we can give any type of animation. Here, start of the clip, zoom, center to edge, edge to center, like that. And we can give transition effects to our video by just keeping it as an overlapping clip. That is, just keep it over this to a small extent so that the one merges into the other. This is how the video appears. Let's see. Okay, there's a gradual transition from one mode to another mode using this feature. So if we want to do that, OpenShot provides such a beautiful opportunity to make our video more creative. Then one more feature, that is we can go to the edit option here, preferences, click on preferences, then click on the keyboard. You can see so many shortcut keys for using this software. It's better to use the shortcut keys to prepare a video than using the mouse clicking option. So we can learn this and utilize this properly